Hi guys, it's Nikki here and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing is how I do my natural glowy makeup look. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to click that notification bell. First, we have to prep our skin from YSL. So this is a night reboot actually, but I like using this before putting on makeup. So this is really a must-have. Skin prep is a must before putting makeup so that we'll really have a nice base. I'll spread this all over my face, so I'm just going to pat it gently so that it's really well absorbed. I'm gonna apply it on my under eye. I will also apply this on my neck as well. So I'm just gonna do this upwards. I'll be using sunscreen. My sunscreen is almost gone. Should you apply it this much? My skin is just so soft right now, it's bouncy. Next thing I'll be using is this YSL cushion. Just going to get some product and you can also put it here so that you don't put too much. But for me, that's good already, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. Now my face looks brighter. I'll also use this cushion sponge on my neck. So this is the Collagen lip pad from Tilbury. This is in the shade Pillow Talk. I'm just going to apply this because before applying lipstick, I want my lips to look plump and juicy. Wait, this is in the shade Pillow Talk. I'm into using lip plumpers that makes my lips so juicy and also reduces the lines before putting lipstick. So that's why I like this. Anyway, this is also like a lip prep. Next, I will be using my brow pencil from Careline. This is in the shade Taupe. So I'm just going to fill in my brows just lightly, guys, so that it looks natural. Okay, that's already good. Next, I will be doing the same thing on my left brow. I will be using a spoolie to brush my brows into place. I will be using brow colorist. So this is in the shade neutral brown. Yeah, so I'm just going to coat my brows just lightly. Other side. Forgot to use concealer. Today I'm going to be using Dior concealer. I'll put concealer on the back of my hand. I actually do this trick so that I can control how much I put on my under eyes, and I'm just going to warm it using my hand, and then after that, so that's the time I apply on my under eyes like this. If you want to add more concealer, just add. So this is already enough for me. So I'm going to use my Tilbury powder and apply on my forehead. And the next is under eye. So with that, I could set my concealer and powder. After applying my base makeup, what I like to do is I'm going to use this setting spray. I actually like using setting spray after doing my base makeup so that it will really last the whole day. Just going to let it dry. So now it's time for our contour. So by the way, this is called the PERIPERA V Shading 01 Natural Brown. There's like 3 shades here. So I will be using the shade in the middle. I'm going to contour my nose. I'm just gonna follow my nose bridge. Now that I'm done contouring my nose, I'm just going to take my highlighter. So I'm gonna use the Glow Face palette from Dior. I'm going to take my gold stroke and apply on the high points of my cheeks. Brow bone. So I'm going to contour my cheekbones. Next, jawline, forehead. So I'm basically done contouring cheek to cheek. This is from Tilbury. Anyway, I like using this because this is a two-tone blush. This is in the shade Pillow Talk. Swirl it and pop in the middle, and it really makes my skin so glowy. Start applying. When creating glowy makeup, it's really important to use highlighter, glowy blush. I like using this product along my cheekbones as well. With your blush, this is in the shade Rosy Glow. Blush on the apples of my cheeks. So I'm just going to smile. For my eyes, I will be using this. So this is the Rom&nd. So this is the Shade and Shadow Garden. Just going to use this. Just going to mix these colors. Apply on my eyelids. Yeah, just gonna create a very natural look. Same colors on the left side. I'm just blending the eyeshadow. For my eyelids, I will be using this Dior palette. I'm gonna use gold strobe and apply on my eyelids. focusing on the middle of my lid. I'm gonna use white strobe and apply on the inner eye. Yeah, by the way, I like putting white highlighter on my inner eye so that my eyes looks more awake. Okay, so that's basically it. Then I'm gonna go take my evening shade and apply it in my lower eyelid. I won't use eyeliner anymore. I'm just gonna use the angled brush. I'm just gonna use the darkest. And I'm gonna use this to create like a cat eye. Yeah, just a very soft cat eye. And I'm just going to blend it afterwards. Yeah, so this makes my eyes look wider. Okay, it's time to use my eyelash curler, then curl my lashes. I'm gonna use my mascara. By the way, this is from Careline. Anyway, so this is a brown mascara. I like using this because it really lasts the whole day. This doesn't cause panda eyes. I'm going to coat my lashes upwards. I like using brown mascara. It makes my eyes look bigger and more awake. I'll get more product. I'll be using lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury. This is also in the shade Pillow Talk. I'm just going to line my lips. Just gonna follow my lip shape. For my lippy, I will be using this Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the shade Rose Blur. Here's the lippy. And then I'm going to blur it afterwards. Now that we're finally done with the makeup, I'll just use the setting spray once again and then try it. So this is how I do my glowy makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and the steps are just easy to follow. This will really enhance your features. If you want more makeup videos just like this, just comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Well, if you did, go give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you on my next one. Bye! Love you all.